it, I want my kids go.
What's going on today, guys? As you can probably tell by the title of the video, today is a very special video because we're going to be doing an unboxing. Even though this isn't really a box, it's still an unboxing. If what's inside this box is what I'm expecting it to be, these videos will benefit greatly from it, and we will have a lot less of the crazy shake that has been infecting all of my vlogs thus far. So let's get started. Gotta be very careful to make sure not to cut anything important while opening the envelope. There we go. Alright, so, yep, here it is. As you may or may not know, this is something called a GorillaPod. Right here, you screw into the bottom of your camera, and that way you can hold it. And it's a tripod that you can hold, it bends, so tripod, set it up anywhere you need it, at any height you need it to go, and comes with the mount, put the GoPro on there. Just for a comparison right now, this is typically how a vlog looks when I'm just carrying my camera. As you can see, it's a little bit shaky, but now gotta find a screwdriver to put it in. There we go. All it is one little screw on the bottom of that. Snap it in, and there we go, guys. Now this is with the GorillaPod. As you can see, much farther out, much better ability of getting a wider shot to where it's not right here in my face. You can actually see what's around me now. See this beautiful day, blue sky. So happy for it. I also want to know which of the following cameras you would prefer to be used. This is option number 1, and this would have been option number 2, but because my smaller point and shoot Vivitar, which is what I'm using here, decided that it never wants to record audio again, yeah, there's only one option. So unless you guys want some post-commentary videos, then I'll just keep using the camera I have been, or my phone, which actually shoots higher quality than the other. But yeah, in the comment section below, leave any ideas for future videos that you have, and I'll see you guys in the next one.